If you need to create an alternate crop for an image, you don't have to download it and open it up in a separate editing app thanks to Canto. To crop images on the fly, you can simply select an image from your Canto library. Now, let's go up to the download option and then choose custom crop from the dropdown. The simplest way that we can do this is to click and drag over the image to select the part of the image that we want to crop to. This blue rectangle that you see will be the cropped version that Flight will output for download. This is called a freeform crop, as you can see here below. To lock in the aspect ratio of the image, or basically the proportions of width to height, you can always click on the lock icon here. Now, when I click and drag the corners, it keeps the same aspect ratio that I drew. You can click and drag to reposition that box if you want to choose a different part of the image to keep. Another option is to choose one of the built-in aspect ratios here at the bottom. Let's say that you want to crop an image for Instagram, for example, so a square image is a great choice. When you click on a 1:1 ratio, the crop area will adapt to a square. Again, you can click and drag the corner to change the size of the overall crop area, and click and drag to reposition it. Make sure to choose an image format below as well, choosing from either JPEG or PNG. And finally, choose the resolution for the image between 72 and 300 dpi. If the original image is 300 dpi, you could choose 72 dpi, but you wouldn't want to go the other direction on this setting. Finally, click download to grab a newly cropped version of your image. Keep in mind that this doesn't change the original image in your library. It creates an entirely new version that you'll download on the fly. You could always re-upload that cropped version to create an alternate version in Canto. Thanks for watching.